Hello and good morning. This is Team Dunder Pressure and I am Nishant. This is our project called Lumen. Lumen is an intelligent AI assist platform for financial transaction which provides intelligent insights and prediction based on the listed transaction. The main problem we faced during this uh, project was that the transactions were far-fetched and scattered into different places such as mails, even hard copies of invoices. So we built a multimodal AI system which can easily take hard copies and digitalize that. And also we connected the Gmail to our system so that the any noise automatically gets fetched from the Gmail API and gets loaded into our system, which then feeds our AI system and makes intelligent decisions. So here is the first feature of our project. We'll go into the dashboard. Here we can see our all listed transaction in the past, and if we have a hard copy of our invoice and we want to digitalize it, or we just want to upload it to our database so that some predictions can be made on that invoice. So just click the upload button on the top right corner. We can upload any kind of documents such as this one. Just clicking upload. It feeds the image to an OCR model, which then extracts the necessary information such as vendor name, price, items, etc. As we can see, it's uploaded, and here is it, the latest one. So our hard copy just got digitalized from the OCR model. Now one more feature of our project is the chatbot system. Basically you can chat with your ledger. All the transaction, uh, all the monetary information will be in the context of our AI. You can ask him anything, such as let's ask him what was the highest purchase of last month. And the AI responds. AI responds correctly that the $3,200 item was the highest purchase made in the last month, and it has the date. This is made possible due to a multimodal system and hybrid query system. We actually attached two separate pipelines. First is the RAG pipeline, and second is the SQL pipeline. Any query made by the user is firstly uh, differentiated into two things. Either it is the analytical or it's semantical. If it's purely semantical, then the vector queries are made on the ChromaDB. If it's purely analytical, then in a safe environment, SQL queries are made on the database, and we gather the information. The LLM uh, post processes it so that the user experience can be good. And the chat, we can just have a chat with our ledger. You can ask him anything. Moving on to the analytics part. In the analytics section, we can see our transaction at one place. We can see beautiful graphs and data visualization, and we can just query any period of year we want, and we can see how much our transaction has grown over the post patterns that the AI has learned till now from our usage. Uh, we have the current usage in Wallet, and the green one is the past usage. Here we can see the average spending, maximum spending, and we can also see the monthly one, everything at one place. This is analytics, and this is built on the data science and statistic layer. We use Z-score here to provide any kind of unexpected jumps. Anything is here is purely ML based. So this is the AI analytics dashboard. This is the crux of our project. Our AI model takes the past transaction data and recognizes the pattern in usage of our user, and then it predicts the forecasting and gives a reminder for future possible transaction. For example, here we can see in our calendar there is an upcoming transaction on 2nd of Sunday. we can see in the reminder and forecast notification bar that AWS Cloud Service has $245 of pending transaction to be billed on 2nd of December 2025. Also, we can also see the forecast. Uh, Forecast and upcoming transaction are different in this sense that forecast is built upon the past transaction and it's a prediction at most. But upcoming one is the hard coded data that the user has given in the past that he will be making AWS Cloud Services payment every the second of the month. So it's sure shot that on 2nd of Sunday there will be a payment, and the 20 of Thursday it might be an payment, and this 20 is guessed by the our AI agent. And second thing is the anomaly detection. For prevention of fraudulent transaction, we have built an risk assessment system. Our AI assesses the transaction, its legitimacy, and assigns a score called risk score. Higher the score, higher is the risk of being fraudulent. Here we can see anomaly detection navbar. Here is the first one. Subway. Uh, in Subway, we have made a transaction of 1200 euros approximately, and it flagged that as anomaly detection. Our LLM also tries to explain the user that why it has detected that it might be an anomaly. And here we can see that it says that amount is about 1200 euros. That is unusual because the mean we will be spending at the Subway is about 125 euros. So that's insightful. We can trust the LLM because it provides the reasoning as so why it has flagged anomaly. Similarly, in Apple Store, we can see suspicious pattern as detected. It is the first time merchant, and we have uh, committed the transaction in the midnight time, which might raise suspicion. So on various parameter, the AI evaluates the transaction and provides the score, which then user can resolve the risk factor. And also for the sake of prediction and future forecast, we have AI suggestion here. For example, optimize subscription spending. Your November spending peaked at 8,000, which is significantly above 1,000 monthly average. This monthly average comes from the normal analytics, which was statistical based, and we feed into LLM. LLM then makes an AI based insight that what what is the expected spending and what is the actual spending, and then it gives AI suggestion from here. Similarly, in second, it has detected the stable summer spending pattern. Your spending from April to July consistently stayed below $750 a month. Consider minting. So it also alerts the user if the spending is more than the limit. It also appreciates if the spending are within the limit, and it also detects the surge. Basically, all round AI suggestion are given here. Here we have designed a dashboard. Here we can see all our spending and transaction, what was the budget, AI forecasting, and actual spending all around the year. And our AI also categorizes every transaction, such as you made an transaction for electronics, it might be for groceries, it might be for utilities, and then it shows this nice pie chart which basically depicts how much of your amount has gone into which sector. So in my case, electronics has eaten up much of my budget, and here we can see the total spending. So that's it for the AI analytics part.